Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Ram Muhammad Ehsan. I am from BS Honors Chemistry, 8th semester morning. We were assigned the topics about advanced organic analysis. The topic of my presentation is sodium bicarbonate test. It is a quite simple test that is used to detect organic compounds of a specific class, basically the carboxylic acids and sulfonic acids. Sodium bicarbonate is basically sodium salt of carbonic acid. It is commonly known as baking soda or meetha soda. It is used for heart burns or stomach burns, etc. It is normally basic in nature and can react with acids to form esters. Sodium bicarbonate test procedures and apparatus and chemicals are discussed here. First of all, the apparatus required for the procedure for the process are spatula, petri dishes, dropper, a set of test tubes, and some beakers. And the chemicals required for the procedure for the process are sodium bicarbonate. It is mostly available in crystalline form, or it can be also present in the powdered form in the market. The second one is distilled water, and the third one is the unknown organic compound that is to be identified using the sodium bicarbonate test. Now we will discuss about the procedure of the test. I have added an animated video about the procedure. Let's have a look. Sodium bicarbonate test procedure. First of all, we will prepare the solution of unknown compound. Then we will take a few drops of the unknown compound in an empty test tube. Then with the help of spatula, we will add some sodium bicarbonate in the solution and the reaction proceeds, and a brisk effervescence can be observed in the test tube. This confirms the positive results about the test. Why this brisk effervescence is produced? Let's have a look on the chemistry of reaction. The chemical reaction taking place is shown here. The carboxylic acids react with sodium bicarbonate to form the sodium ester, water and carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is obtained in gaseous state, and this is the carbon dioxide that is released with the brisk effervescence. If this carbon dioxide is obtained, then the reaction is considered as positive, and we confirm the presence of carboxylic acids. The next are the compounds that are indicated by the sodium bicarbonate test. As I stated earlier, these are carboxylic acids and sulfonic acids. So this is all about sodium bicarbonate test. It is a quite simple and cheap test. Cheap means to easily handle and can be carried out in a general lab, and it is very simple to proceed. So this is used for the detection of organic compounds, carboxylic acids and sulfonic acids. That's all. Thank you, sir.